This is Don Hoder from the Southpointe Chamber of Commerce, and our host for our lunch today is Joyce Salizzoni. Hi, Joyce. How are you?
I'm fine.
And
Thanks.
Joyce's official title is Wealth Management Private Banker. Is that correct?
Private banking advisor.
Bring the mic a little closer to you.
Private banking advisor.
Go. And you provide, well, I'm starting to read here.
Yes.
Provide customized deposits and lending solutions to affluent clients. Well, that would be you, Dale. You're right.
You're right. I'm not sure about that, but he's helped me tremendously.
So customized
deposit and lending
what's that?
strategies.
You, like, dress differently or something? Customized deposits. Tell us
so
about that.
with regard to providing more easy and convenient banking services, opening up accounts over the phone.
So you'll come out to my house and pick up the money?
Sure, absolutely.
Will you?
Yeah,
okay.
sure.
She did that for me.
Did she do that for you?
She did.
Wow, that's banking.
It wasn't my house, but we met halfway.
Oh, cool.
With
cool.
regard to the customized lending, so we provide bridge loans, unsecured facilities. We can secure investment accounts. If you want to purchase a home and then turn it into an installment loan.
What's an affluent client?
An affluent client would be classified as perhaps a business owner, a retiree with maybe a 401k somewhere, an attorney, a doctor. It really runs the gamut of nobody in particular. Somebody can be walking down the street and maybe they owned a business 10 years ago and sold it, and they have some wealth that they would like to for us to manage.
Especially the leaseholders for oil and gas.
Yes.
You
yes.
like those?
They would fit in there as well.
They fit in there pretty good?
Yes.
You have to go over to the Jimmy table after we're done. I'm sure they can talk to you about that.
Yes.
So the ideal customer you just described,
Yes.
and you work with a team that specializes in really, I'm guessing, for example, if you have, a lot of us have grandparents, parents that have inheritance issues that
Sure.
that are coming through.
Absolutely.
So that's something you have a team that can work with sheltering the tax dollars and things like that?
So we would be able to provide wealth planning services as well as perhaps trust services if you wanted to set up a trust for tax advantageous reasons. Of course, managing assets, we're with an investment advisor. So there's a variety of professionals that would be able to work with you individually. And
so you have attorneys, accountants?
No. So we do not have attorneys. Actually, though, some of our trust advisors...
Never mind. Strike that. They don't have attorneys. Go ahead. You don't have attorneys?
We don't have attorneys. We're happy to recommend attorneys.
Okay.
So we cannot practice law, but we would work with attorneys such as Carl or perhaps...
Carl. You're going to work with Carl. No, I'm just teasing. Carl's a great attorney.
Quite often we would work with their attorneys and their CPAs in order to provide a holistic view of their financial plan and reach their objectives and goals down the road.
Now, where would we reach you if somebody wanted to contact you and set something up, a meeting with you?
Sure. So my office is located in downtown Pittsburgh on Liberty Avenue. My phone number is 412-762-7944. And
you come out too, don't you?
Absolutely, and that's probably what a lot of the private banking is. Quite often, I've gone to hospitals. I've met doctors in elevators when they are performing surgery. They would come out so they could sign documents for me. I go to houses. Whatever's convenient for the client is what we do. It's complete customer service.
And we don't have an elevator here, but we have smaller rooms for all you folks.
Yes.
Stairwell.
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, great. Is there anything you'd like to add? Any of you in the audience have any questions to ask at this time?
What I would like to add is that no matter whether you're a current PNC customer or perhaps considering coming to PNC, no matter your level of status, whether it's just opening an account for the first time or perhaps if there might be more complex needs that you need addressed, certainly feel free to reach out to me. And if it's not something that I can assist with, I can certainly provide you with a person that is able to assist.
You know, and it's funny, but a lot of times jumping banks, I'll call it, if that's the proper term, is the smart thing to do, because sometimes your banker gets complacent with you. Dale could tell a quick story about that.
Yes.
Without mentioning the bank you left.
No, I won't. And I'm going to mention two more things, too. But as I mentioned, I was in Florida, and I was actually buying a home. And I needed some money for down payment security to hold. And I called my bank. And I've been with this bank for 20 years. And they said, sorry, we can't do that. And I said, really? I said, okay.
What'd you want to do? Wire money down or something like that?
Yeah, basically. And the other thing that I was wanting with my bank, prior to going down, I wanted to get a line of credit. And they wanted me, and I have some property and I had it leased. They wanted me to give the bank the privilege of negotiating with the drilling company of where that they could drill and where they could not drill.
Wow.
And that was for a $100,000 line of credit. And I said, I don't think so. Joyce put together that line of credit for me virtually over the phone while I was in Florida. I came back, signed the papers, but we had the money down there in no time. And the other thing that her facility has arranged for me personally, I have a new grandson. Hey, I love him. But set up a college fund for him. Joyce and I are in the process of doing that right now. So, almost any type of high-end banking that you need or personal help, PNC and Joyce has helped me out personally tremendously.
Well, hey, I want to thank you, Joyce, for being a host today for our lunch, and great testimonial from
Thank you.
Mr. Dale. Is that good for another 100,000? I'm just kidding. just kidding. So it's Joyce Salizzoni, and it's PNC Wealth Management, and you heard it here at the Southpointe Chamber of Commerce lunch. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.